Hi, Timothy Unker here, and in this video I want to discuss the long integer data type. So we've got my header file already included. Let's start into a main function. And for this type of data type, the values can range from negative 2,147,483,648 to positive 2,147,483,647. Okay, so let's use a long int for a variable I'll call planet age, and I'm going to set that to 2,147,483,647. I'm really pushing the limit for my long integer, and I'm going to print f planet q age is, we'll do percentage. Now we're going to do LD, okay? And then we'll put a period /n for a new line, close out the quotes, do a comma, and pass in the planet age, okay? And we're going to return 0. And we'll close out my main function. We'll save it, open a terminal, and compile into, let's call it long int. Okay, now let's run it. And there we go. Planet Q's age is 2,147,483,647. Anyways, I just wanted to make you aware of this data type. If you found this video interesting, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really helps the channel grow. And I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.